Okay, now we can introduce the sequin field function. The sequin field function mainly for these three input method. Okay, now we use the first one to input. And all these are flat stitch. And if we want to make the flat stitches into sequins, we need to choose the sequin field and select the fixed type, set its distance, and here we can use satin, we can choose E-stitch, and also contour or straight, anyone you need. For example, we choose straight and set the distance and the length. And then all the flat stitch are transferred into sequins. And we can also change another stitch type, like contour, and set the distance. Let's see the effect. Or E-stitch. And also other tool is similar to this. Okay, we can see. Set the field stitch. Choose the stitch type and the distance, similar to the first one.